Did you know that you can have emotes slide all over the screen every time a viewer sends an emoji in a TikTok chat? Well, now you do, and I'm gonna show you how you can set it up in today's video. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. The first things first, what you need to do is get TikFinity. If you haven't already seen my other videos, I made a lot of them regarding this program. You can set up alerts, chat commands, and a bunch of other things through it. There will be a link down in the description below for it. You can use the web version or download the program itself. It's the same thing, but you will have to have a pro version of the program in order to use this Emojify feature of the program itself. So if you do want to get it, the link down in the description will give you 20% off for your pro purchase. Once you get the program, you will need to go into start on the top left and then connect your TikTok account to TikFinity. That way, when something happens on the stream, TikFinity will do the alerts and everything for you. So just connect it over here. And once you've done that, on the top left, you will see your account. It's gonna say disconnected, click to connect. That's because you're not live. Once you go live, this will change to live and it will be just fine. But what you need to do here is just go into overlay gallery over here, and then you will see Emojify on the first thing right here. So this is how it looks like. Every time a viewer sends an emoji, it will just fly all over the screen and it will fill everything with the emoji itself. So you can customize it by clicking on the customize button on the top right. Over here, you can set up all the different animations. You can make it so it disappears after like 2, 3, 5 seconds, whatever. You can show chat emojis, show subscriber emotes. Depending on what you want to do, you can change these settings over here. You click on OK, and then all you have to do is copy paste this browser source by clicking on copy, and then open up your TikTok Live Studio or your OBS and paste it as a browser source. And that's basically it. So let me show you how you can do that. So now that we are in TikTok Live Studio, what you need to do is go to add source on the left side over here, click on that, and then go to link over here. Once you click on link, click on add, and then you can paste your browser source right over here. Once you paste it, it will show that big Emojify browser source. So you click on add source right here and you are set. If we enable this, you can see that the link is right over here. Completely ignore this blue screen. But if we do it like that, and then we go back to TikFinity and we click on test, you can see that the emojis will fly all over this rectangle right here. You can obviously make it bigger so it fills the whole screen like this, or you can just make it a custom resolution. Same thing for OBS. Let me show you how you set it up right there. So if you want to add it on OBS, what you need to do is go to sources over here. You can right click, add, and then add a browser source right here. You click on browser, you can name it Emojify or whatever else you want. Click on OK, and then just paste in the browser source itself. If you do want to add a custom resolution, you can put in 1920 by 1080 or 1080 by 1920 if you're using vertical. Right now I'm on the horizontal, but it works the same on vertical as well. So you put in the custom resolution, it will make it vertical. So this one is vertical. And then again, if we test it out, you can see that the emojis are flying all over the screen. So that's how you can set it up. It's super simple, super easy, and it adds another way for your viewers to engage with your content. And that's basically it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. If you want to see my other socials, including my Twitch, where I stream 3 days a week, they will be linked down in the description below. If you want to see my other TikFinity guides, make sure to check this video right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.